Welcome back again on the Betong Crypto, a place where I give you guys juicy stuff. The flavor for today are these coins that I want us to look at. I want to buy more. Am I going to buy more? I have bought more of this coin. And today we are going to look at why I bought more of this coin. And maybe you guys can dive on board and get it for yourself. Of course, this is no financial advice. Yeah, it's education only. And I share with you guys what I do. And these coins, Chirpley, Casper, CSPR, Luna Token, Luna Crush, Baby DogeCoin, and Floki Inu. These are the coins I'm going to tell you why I got more of them. If say you are new here, you're welcome. Welcome to my humble palace, my humble home, my humble palace. This is my palace. You're welcome. Those who recently subscribe, guys, I appreciate you subscribing to this platform. I know there's a reason why you subscribe, and I'm gonna do my possible best to keep delivering to you. Yeah, I'll deliver to you what the reason you subscribe to my platform. I'm gonna keep delivering to you that reason so that you can keep being here with me. Does that make sense? I don't know if that is tautology or it makes sense. Yeah, I think it makes sense somewhere. So I'm gonna keep delivering to you why you join this platform. Yeah, I think that makes sense. And those of you who have been here with me always, yeah, you know the drill. You're welcome. As usual, we are gonna unveil, these coins today. Now, guys, if say you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe because that's important. If you subscribe with thumbs up, this content will reach out to more people out there. Before I dive into this, I want you guys to understand this. The reason why I want to always share with you guys is because I want you guys to enjoy success. Many people out there have talked so badly about cryptocurrency, and I know maybe you must have faced some people like that, investment journey, saying to you, this is a scam, you're wasting your time, you're gonna lose your money. Today, I want to give you a different perspective, or as usual, I want to give you guys a different perspective that you don't listen to those people, but let's listen to the charts, what the charts are saying, what the industry is saying, what are people saying. If say more than 5% of the world's population, more than 8 billion people in this world, and 5% of 8 billion is in an asset class like this, you know how much money to be on board. 5% of 8 billion is how much? It's not even up to, what we are gonna be looking at in the future. We're gonna see trillions of market cap in this industry. So let's dive right into it so we can look at this coin. Let me share my screen with you, guys, right now. Um, you know, Chirpley did something yesterday that I said, let me share with you guys. Like I always talk about this with my wife. We discuss about crypto every now and then. She's amazing, investing. In fact, she's my number one supporter, or my number one. Yeah, should I put it that way? Supporter. Yeah, she's also an investor and she believes in crypto. And yesterday I talked to her about Chirpley. I showed her how Chirpley moved in the past, and I mean, if I show you guys, you can see again how it moves. When it makes a move to the upside, it come back down. It make a move to the upside, it come back down, but it is making higher highs, right? Like it is going upward, not downward. So if you understand a coin like this and you realize that, wow, this coin have different areas that it moves. Let me zoom this a little bit so you can see more better what I'm trying to say to you guys right now. Let me refresh this, and so you guys can see properly. You can see here, guys, this coin is trading around, this is the 4 hours time frame. It's trading around the 800-day moving average and the 50-day moving average. This is the 50-day moving average, and above that is the 5 and 13 EMA. Right, this is a hybrid system, by Tino. Right, I love, I use many system. when I trade, I follow many people who are actually good in TA, and like in the past years, I've learned a lot from them. And guys, I want to encourage you to keep to watch their channel. So go to Traders Reality and watch the channel, or Frankie Scandal and watch the channel. They have awesome content there that can really educate you. So they have been in the trading space for a long time, trading forex, crypto. Well, let me show you guys something. You can see there's a pattern here. There's a structure. I talk about structure, market structure. If you say you understand market structure, you can see that Chirpley. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So I'm gonna come back to the 1 hour time frame. You can see there's a structure here that this bad boy is forming. Let me refresh this so I can, yeah. This bad boy is forming a structure here. You can see clearly this is an uptrend. And if you say you don't zoom out, you wouldn't be able to see this uptrend, right? So the thing I want to show you guys today, like why I'm buying more of this bad boy, is because of the move that happened yesterday. It went up about 26%. Now you can see here that this was the area that price started moving. This zone here. This was a zone here. Let me mark it for you guys so you can see it properly. This was the zone here. Now, price moved here. And after that, guys, price made this high. Yeah. Right? And price tried to retrace back, and price wasn't able to break and make lower low. So this automatically become a support zone. Yeah. So now price left this zone and started making its way to the upside. Right? Price wasn't able to break below. You see, price made attempt to break below, to break this support zone here. But price couldn't. After that, we saw price making like higher highs, you can see, and price made a huge move again to the upside. And price retest back this moving average on like this is the 4 hours time frame. I want to go back to the 1 hour time frame where I decided to buy. Like when I decided to buy, I went to the 1 hour time frame. Now, price is above this. You can see 200 the moving average on the 4 hours time frame, and price is also above the 800 moving average on the 4 hours time frame. So it means that price have to manage to retrace and break this other support here that price from at this point in time. So price wasn't able to break this support. You can see price attempt to break this support here. You can see, let me mark all those zones so you can see what I'm trying to say here. And because price wasn't able to break that zone, we saw that price made another higher high, right? And now price came back to retest this to try to see if price can go back to the downside, like downward. And price wasn't able to break downward on Chirpley. You see, price bounced back, and ever since, because price was trading above the 200-day moving average, and I saw that Bitcoin was doing well, Ethereum was doing well. So there's no way Chirpley is not going to do well, because Chirpley have to come back to retest this zone. And if Chirpley is not able to make higher highs, then price is going to come back down and break this zone, and that's when market structure will break or will be invalidated. So because Chirpley was doing this, yeah, I saw that, wow, there's a lot of liquidity space in this area, yeah. So I bought Chirpley, yeah, and I told my wife yesterday, and that let's see this. Chirpley is going to reverse back to this zone, to this area, yeah, and exactly Chirpley did what I mentioned. Now, is this based on the fact that I'm super like knowing everything, or how price move? No, this was prediction, because I look at price movement. I've studied the chart of Chirpley, and I know that this coin move in this range. So I can keep adding to my portfolio, taking out profit. I have made some profit doing this, like making more Chirpley. Every now and then, when Chirpley make this move, I know Chirpley will retrace back. I know if the Chirpley have to really move in a day, it's about 30%, 60% in a day. So I look in that range, and I also zoom out to see if, say, there are possible areas of support and resistance. And if I go to the 1 hour time frame, I want to see that in this area like an important zone here for Chirpley, that Chirpley was trying to break and make higher highs on the daily time frame. You can see, and Chirpley break that zone. Now, where is the next move for Chirpley? Where is the next target for Chirpley? This is the next target for Chirpley, around 0.14, $0.014. That is the next target for Chirpley. Chirpley is gonna retrace back here, started trading up like sideways, then pump to that area, to that zone. If you say Bitcoin keep doing what Bitcoin is doing, then Chirpley is gonna go there. Remember, guys, I told you that Bitcoin is my anchor. Bitcoin is that catalyst I use, that signal I use to trade in with this coin. And these coins have proven in the past to be sustainable following Bitcoin. You can see it's gonna come here and trade around this zone. See, it's already there. It's already there. And price have to, trade sideways, not breaking. Price can come right down here, but price don't have to make lower lows. You know, price should keep going. Now, this is the 1 hour time frame, right? Now, I saw that price have made that move and price rejected. You can see price made it way to the downside and price rejected. You can see here and went back towards this moving average, meaning price want to keep going to the upside. And we have seen the confirmation here. I have to see price in this zone, then I'm gonna know that okay, now I'm gonna buy. And by the way, we haven't seen any sell signal on the alpha trend. So this is why I bought more Chirpley. The same scenario played out with CSPR Casper. Guys, this chart is even more healthier. You can see price have been making attempt, like have been showing us where price want to go, right? And usually, if I go to the 4 hours time frame, I mentioned this also with my wife. I told her that this coin Chirpley is gonna come back to this zone, and exactly those areas price retrace back, and if price hold that zone, then that's when I know that Chirpley is going to, CSPR or Casper is going to go to the upside. Now we have seen attempts going to the upside. And we can even see price can even come back towards this area, yeah. Right? But it's not a must. We can even see price come back to this area. And if price does, it will still be in an uptrend. That's why I bought more CSPR, hoping that, price almost came back there. You can see this week, yeah. Yeah, this week it came back there, right? So this was the reason why I got CSPR Casper. And the same thing, guys, you can apply the same chart, the same analysis on your coins that you are holding. This goes, right? You can look at structure. If price keep building the same structure, then you want to keep being in that coin, right? You can look at the daily time frame, look at the 4 hours time frame. Like in this case, if we look at the daily time frame, I told you guys last time that this coin has a huge upside, and we have to see this moving average, 800-day moving average, make it way to the downside, and price have to start trading above that. Until then, the upside is amazing, is great, right? You can see the next target that I'm seeing here for this bad boy is at 0.65 cent for Chirpley. So how many percent this coin can move from where it is right now, from this price to that zone? 45%. This coin can do it in 1 day. In 1 day. So looking at the zones here, you can see here that there is a strong support here, guys. I like to say strong, strong, because it's strong support. You can see here, guys. And price has been respecting that zone. So the wise thing I have to do is to go to the lower time frame and look at what price is doing on the lower time frame. You can see here that price is maintaining that zone, holding, and boom, price move to the upside. And another confirmation I want to show you guys is I used also this Trendillo. Trendillo is up, and on the 4 hours time frame, so I expect a retracement. Whenever I see a movement like this on the Trendillo indicator, it's like the RSI, but to me, it's more effective than the RSI. Whenever I see this movement like this, I expect retracement back somehow to the middle or around the middle. But now I've seen rejection. I can see the Trendillo is showing up to the upside. Then I know I have to buy more. That's why I bought more of this bad boy. So, guys, the same application with Floki Inu. I talk about Floki Inu here on my platform a lot, and look at Floki Inu on the 4 hours time frame. Before we even go to the 4 hours time frame, I have been talking to you guys about Floki Inu on the daily time frame. Look at the structure. Market structure is the key. If so, you understand market structure, guys, nothing can stop you from making money in this game. Market structure represents what investors are doing. What I'm seeing here, that's what other investors are seeing or they are looking at before they buy. There's so many confluence and so many stuff that people are looking at. But this is the kind of stuff that they are looking at structure, looking at rejection, looking at the fact that price keep maintaining different levels. So looking at Floki Inu, I told you guys that Floki Inu has formed this W here. Like this is a W that Floki Inu form. And I was waiting for Floki to make another move to the upside. Now look at this move here. Wow, guys. When a coin move like this, what you need to do is take this, let me show you guys here what it is here. Let me bring this more closer so you can see. I can see you guys watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. If you haven't like, so I can give you more of this source. So let me show you guys something here. If say you see a pump like this, let's go. I think this is on the 4 hours time frame. No, one day time frame. Yeah, 1 day time frame. Is it 1 day time frame? A daily time frame. So let's go back to the 4 hours time frame, or let me do this on the daily time frame. I think it's gonna be better to do it on daily time frame. Or if I look at the 5-day, let me see if I can do it this year. No, let's do it on 1 day. So when you see a move like this, guys, right? What you need to do is take this indicator. Is free. This is price measurement. Let me just use this one. You take it from the bottom where price started to the top where price ended, right? And price have to trade above this line here. If price is not trading above that line, then if price is not able to break and trade above that line, then we might see back retracement of that coin. So in this case, look at what is happening here with Floki Inu. Floki Inu try to, I think here is exactly around that zone. You can see here. Floki Inu make that move to the upside. You can see where price. Let's go back to the lower time frame. You can see where price is at right now. Price is sitting at that area exactly. You can also take the Fibonacci retracement, and take it from the bottom where price started, like from this low here, this top side, and you see the areas where you can buy Floki Inu. And looking at the Fibonacci, you can see here at 0.382, this zone is a zone where if price is not able to break and price trade sideways, then we are seeing continuation. But if price break that zone, then we're gonna wait at price to come at the golden pocket. This is a golden pocket. It's where price started moving to the upside. This is the area here. So price have to bounce back if price is not able to hold. But in any case, if price is not able to break and start making higher highs, price will gonna come back to this golden pocket, no doubt. So if you understand how to apply all this, give you an opportunity to know when to get in, get out, and be healthy in the market. Now, let me show you guys another coin that I have mentioned here, which is Baby DogeCoin. Right? I know you already know my stand with DogeCoin and all of these other altcoins here. So let's look at Baby DogeCoin. Look at Baby DogeCoin on the 4 hours time frame. Let me take out this alpha trend. Is giving me more. It's not working well with this. Okay, you can see here, guys. Let's first of all go to the daily time frame. I talked about this already, that this bad boy is around the 200 moving average. Price was still at this zone when I talk about this. Go and check my previous videos. You're gonna see that I talk about when price was still here. I said because this moving average is compressing towards each other, and looking at where price was moving below that moving average, and there was a gap here. Now this gap is closing, meaning we're gonna see a huge spike to the upside. What happened? We saw the spike. Now, I also mentioned that we're going to see some retracement back, and this moving average have to cross the white moving average, which is the 200 moving average, have to trade below, and this 50-day moving average, which is this 1 year, have to trade above. So the 50-day moving average has to cross the 200-day moving average to give us that confirmation. But before then, you see where the price is. Price is targeting this zone here. So that's why I got more of this baby, right? Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we can see that Baby DogeCoin is pretty much good at this price point, at this zone. Let me take out this area here so I can show you guys structure. Structure is the key. I told you guys structure is the key. You can see price is forming this zone here. It's like it moved to the upside, came back, it moved, and it came back, and the 200-day moving average was that support zone for Baby DogeCoin. And now price is heading back to the upside because there's a lot of liquidity here. And price have to make higher highs, have to move up, break, then come back down and test this zone again. But in this case, price is going to end around this zone here. So that's why I took some more buys on Baby DogeCoin. Now, the last coin I want to talk about here is this coin. Guys, look, listen to me. Come closer. Come closer a little bit. This coin will make you the real money, like money. I have 2 of them that I want to talk to you right now. First is this one. When I'm done with it, I'm going to tell you the second one. But the same scenario, the same thing that happened with price, with the other coin. Look at the same game is playing with this lunr coin. Look at the space. Look at the space. Look at it was downward, and all other coins are upward, right? And doing well. And this coin make this huge move to the upside, break, and retest back, but it held. It didn't go and make lower low. So what we are expecting is for continuation to the upside. That's why I got more of this baby, guys. Looking at the chart, it gives me, if I zoom out on the weekly time frame, I see the movement to the upside, and I look at the technology, what this coin is all about, the fundamentals, and I realize that they survive the bear market. And any coin that has been here before the bear market and survived the bear market, then they are here to stay. This coin, these people, they are here to stay. So I have more of such coin, that I'm gonna keep sharing with you. I'm gonna keep doing more research on this coin because I want you guys to have the best. I want to be there for you guys. I want you guys to look at your bank account the next 2 years, the next 3 years, and say, wow, we worked together with the Betong, and now we can see the result. I'm going to be here every day as long as God gives me the strength to be able to educate you guys on how you can make it happen in this industry. This is no rocket science. This is reality. And among all these coins that I've mentioned to you guys today, I want you to know this. These coins, the only reason why I am buying these coins now or before or in the future is because I want to mint more Bitcoin. Look at price action here, guys. Look at this point. Imagine that you bought this coin and it moved to the upside like that, to the sky, and you didn't take out profit. What will happen? Price will come back down to where it started. Not because the team is a bad team or the community is bad. No, it's because investors are crashing out profit to buy assets. Asset means things that can. How do I explain this to you guys? Things that can be backed by something. Like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is backed by so many things, right? By Bitcoin. Bitcoin is backed by Bitcoin. By Bitcoiners. Bitcoin is an asset. And investors look at Bitcoin as an asset. They look at land as an asset. They look at real estate as an asset. They look at other investment as an asset, gold asset, right? Because they are able to hedge against inflation. If something is able to hedge against inflation long term, then that's an asset. And Bitcoin has proven to be that asset to back against inflation. Bitcoin is digital gold. So whatever you do, make sure you buy Bitcoin. Now, the 2 coins that I want you guys, no matter what happens, always keep your eyes on these 2 coins. I have lunr token, That's Lunar Coin, not the Lunar DogeCoin. I have Chirpley. Chirpley. These are the two coins. Maybe let me add number 3 for you guys so you can have more options. Go and look at CSPR Casper. These coins are going to make you massive profit. Massive profit. Guys, there are many other coins out there. Many of them. So many. I won't tell you not to buy it, but these are the coins that I've taken my time to study. I always want to buy things I study. If I'm buying something else that I don't study, I buy small and I monitor the price and I see how the price moves, the price action. And once I understand how the price moves and understand the technology behind the project, that's when I go in full time. So today, if you tell me this coin is good, buy it, I'm gonna buy the coin, no doubt. But I wouldn't buy it like with significant amount. I can take 1%, 2%, and buy it off my portfolio and buy it. Then I want to study the price and see what price is doing. And if I understand what price is doing, then I can then buy back again more. So again, take some time and reflect. What do you really want here? What do you want to achieve? Do you want to make money? Is it money that you want to make? Don't chase it. Allow the money to chase you. Focus on the education. When you understand how to do this, what I do here, there's no way you won't make money. That's why I'm not here to tell you guys that you're gonna become a millionaire. Like buy this coin is gonna make you a millionaire. I'm here to teach you how you can go about doing this. By the way, guys, do you love this new look? This is why we're wearing hat like this. You know, or maybe you want me to be having like this, or this or this. So you guys should let me know. If you love this, I can get more of this. But I'm coming with my, my like in the future you're gonna see the Betong here. So like the Betong also here. So I'm coming with my own stuff. So I don't know if you like this. Tell me you like it. I want to see you guys on the chat. But guys, before you can see how passionate I am. I'm passionate about crypto because I'm passionate about crypto is because what am I even saying? I'm passionate about crypto because crypto is the only asset now in this world that has given anyone or everyone the opportunity to make real life changing wealth. Regardless your political background, regardless who the price doesn't care. If you buy DogeCoin today and DogeCoin move 10%, 100x, you're gonna make it your money. So I want to be that person to guide you, to help you guys. Can't you? That's why you see me. Even if I come here and I see 1 person, 2 person, I'm happy. I know that 1 person, helping 1 person, 2 people to change their lives, to understand how this works. I want to help so many people around them as well. And when they learn, teach someone, and that's someone gonna teach someone, and that's how the generation is being passed. And I'm not here because I want, so many people to of course, if I have so many viewers, I'll be happy that I'm educating more people. But the idea here is, I love this. I love doing this. I want to keep doing it for you guys. So this is where the video ends. And make sure you subscribe. Thanks. I can see Simon Igbug Ibek Burlem. Sorry if I'm slaughtering your name. I'm sorry. I can see you guys here. On point, Perilla. I can see Simon always. I remember this face on Facebook. Simon, I think you're watching on Facebook. You're watching on Facebook or on YouTube. It's on YouTube. I can see also Kweku Kese, looking good. Thanks so much. I can see inspirational to 2020. The new hat is good. Okay. So I want to get more of this new hats here. So anyway, guys, we have come to the end of today's show. Hopefully this content was helpful to you. I don't know if say I'm gonna do a show tomorrow, maybe in the evening. If say you guys are part of my community, then I'm gonna ask you guys if say we can do a show tomorrow and maybe in the evening. What time in the evening? It's weekend. I want to spend time with my family, my wife, and my kid. So I don't want to, but if you guys, since my wife also is an investor, and my wife, I said, my sweetheart, I want to go do some live show for my people. Maybe my wife will not say no. Yeah, she won't say no. They don't do it. Because if she says no, I won't do it because I'm giving that time for her. It's her time, and I have to steal that time from her. and give it to you guys. Because I, as much as I love you guys, my wife is my wife, you know. Anyway, guys, I'm just saying that tomorrow I'll love to be live. Also on Sunday, maybe we can do 1 hour, 30 minutes, and we'll look at all your coins. We'll look at all the coins. We're going to apply so many techniques on how to go about all this so that you guys can learn the process. I want to be there for you guys and make sure you guys are successful. Guys, I want to see likes. Share this content. Let's help so many people out there. The likes there is to help this content to reach out to more people. Having your likes from you, sharing from you on Facebook, sharing on your platform on WhatsApp, Twitter, just share it, guys. Help me reach out to more people. That's the least you can do to appreciate what I do for you guys every now and then. Thanks for being here today. See you guys tomorrow. If say you agree on the time in the evening on the chat, like not on the chat, you can talk, in the Telegram group. So if say you haven't yet been part of my, you are not yet part of my Telegram group. I'm not able to speak now. If you are not yet part of my Telegram group, then the link is found below this video. Go there and join right now. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.